Hello. This is why I don't film standing up most of the time, because I will take full advantage of the space. Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome if you're new, we are glad to have you. My name is Leandra, all of my socials are Lion of Stone. Today, I'm bringing back Come Cook With Me, and this time, we're actually cooking. So I've made two of these videos before, one of which was making mocktails, and one of which was a chocolate orange Christmas cake. Both of which are great videos, you should check them out. I don't know if I'm able to put them on screen, but if I can, I'm going to. You should click on them. They're good times. Today, though, we are actually making real food. I know, it's insane. We're moving up in the world. And we're making dragon noodles, which are delicious. I found the recipe on Pinterest. It's from a website called Budget Bites. I've made it before, and it's amazing. You know how sometimes those 15-minute recipes say they take 15 minutes, but then it's actually like forever? These actually take 15 minutes. Start to finish. They're incredible. They're super filling, super hearty. Great if you're having a bad day. Great if you don't feel like cooking but you still want to like have food because they've got protein and some veg. Not really veg. There's green onion. But they're absolutely fantastic for those like low energy days, which I have a lot of personally. So this is a fantastic solution. Let's just get into it. So here is what we're going to need. Egg noodles. Butter. I'm using margarine because that's what I have. Crushed red pepper, which I don't have, so I'm substituting it for some crushed chilies because they're delicious and I like my food to be spicy. Eggs. I really wish I could juggle because that'd be super impressive, but I'm not gonna try it. Brown sugar, which is actually like stays soft in this country and it's wild to me. Soy sauce. My favorite condiment, sriracha. A handful of fresh cilantro, or coriander as they call it here, and some green onion. It feels like a lot of ingredients, but it's the easiest thing in the world to make. So, let's begin to boil some water for the noodles. Right, so while we're waiting for that pot of water to boil, we're gonna start making the sauce, which is beginning with brown sugar. We need 2 tablespoons of that. I'm doubling the recipe because I'm cooking for my family. But normally this will serve 2. I'm making it serve 4. Nice and easy. Where are my measuring spoons? I say my measuring spoons as if this is my kitchen and I don't live at home. They were hiding behind the chef knife. Right, so we need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Ooh. I can never decide if I like the smell of brown sugar or not. Like it's a bit of a weird one for me. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I like to live on the edge, you know, pull that up and down. Great. And 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Sriracha. Do I know how to say it? No, but it is still one of my all-time faves. I have it on everything, on popcorn, on french fries, on... I feel like it'd be really good with vanilla ice cream. I've never tried that, but I feel like it would be. It just is an incredibly versatile and delicious condiment, and it's amazing in these noodles, in this sauce. Although it does make me laugh because on the blog, the woman who wrote this recipe talks about how she sometimes just craves like super spicy food, and this is such a spicy meal. But I don't know if I just don't have taste buds anymore, but it's not that spicy to me. Now in a skillet, we're gonna melt some butter, or margarine, as the case may be. There's a lot of butter in this. It feels healthy because of all the other stuff going on, but there's a lot of butter in it. So I've been debating whether or not I want to talk about this during this video. But I did mention in the intro that I have a lot of low energy days, and some of them are worse than others. Some of them are real bad. Some of them are kind of chill and I almost forget that I'm having a low energy day. Some of them I can easily fix with an energy drink. Some of them I should not drink an energy drink because it's just going to make it worse. It's sort of tricky, I think, because it's so hard to tell, I find, if it's just that I'm tired or if it is that I'm genuinely having a rough time in my head. Which means that I'm constantly left feeling like I'm faking, like I'm not really actually struggling. And it's a tricky one to walk. I'm adding the chili flakes now to the butter. I'm adding quite a few because my whole family likes it quite spicy. We like spicy food. But yeah, it makes it hard for me to like figure out where I'm at every day. And I wake up some days and I have to be like, okay, is this going to be a good day? Is this going to be a bad day? What do I need today? And I never know. Just whisking some eggs. That's going to go into the pan as soon as that butter's done melting. Yeah, but I was having, a while ago, the first time I ever made this recipe, I was having a very, very bad low energy day where I almost couldn't do anything. I was really struggling to get off the sofa, to put on real clothes. It was the day that I filmed the Christmas cake video. It was like the second day, and I am quite literally wearing my pajama bottoms and an oversized hoodie in that. And that is because I could not convince myself to get dressed, and that was the closest that I could do. And my parents were out of town, so I had to cook food for my brother. I've added the eggs now. And I really wanted to make dragon noodles because I had it saved on my Pinterest board forever. And I was making them, and I was getting ready to cook dinner, and I was getting all this stuff together, and I was thinking, this seems like a lot of steps. Don't know if I'm up for it. Because, you know, I just got myself to finish the cake and to do all of that stuff. And I was like, do I have it in me to actually make dinner? But I did, because, you know, I had to for my brother, and I made dragon noodles. And as soon as I ate them, I felt so much better. And I think that the dragon noodles will become something of a comfort food for me because of that. They were real food. They were the first bit of proper real food I'd eaten that day. And I'd made them even though I was having such a rough time. So when I say these are kind of low energy, great for these days, I mean it because I am speaking from experience. They're really fast, but they're also real food. And it made such a difference to me on that horrific day that, I don't know, in a weird way, I think I'll just always connect them with that, but in the best way possible because they were so helpful. They really made a difference to me that day. Not to get like all emotional about dragon noodles, but just got real emotional about dragon noodles. So I've taken the egg and butter mixture. I've turned the heat off because you don't want them to overcook. So I'm turning that burner on, and in half a second I'm going to move them on over to the other burner anyway. Because those eggs will still kind of cook together. But this is how we're looking. Is it going to focus? Probably not, and I don't want to throw that all over the floor. Then we'll pop the noodles into the pan, and from there it's like 4 minutes left. It's going great. And the water's boiling. Gonna try not to throw the egg noodles everywhere. And I immediately dropped them all over the stove. Right, so while those are cooking, we're gonna chop up some green onion, and some cilantro, coriander, whatever it is, I can never keep track. And then we'll just mix everything together. Real nice and easy, a genuine 15-minute meal. Incredible. Da, da, da. I feel like I got so emotional earlier that I have nothing to talk about now. I'm like, we're not touching that again. What can I talk about? This jumpsuit is from the M&S Kids section because I shop a lot and I'm quite small and quite short. So if I can find things that are stretchy or like loose fitting in the kids section, I love that because it's cheaper. And I bought this because I thought, oh, it's gonna be so cute for summer. And then immediately decided to wear it because it's not summer yet, but maybe I can trick the weather into thinking that it is if I dress like it is. I know it's a long shot, but you gotta try. I love the smell of egg noodles. Right, noodles are done, sorted. We're going to drain them. I just realized that the cord for my light is directly in front of the sink. So we may have to take a pause from the filming situation to drain the noodles. We're gonna drain the noodles, then we're just gonna mix everything together, and then we have a completed meal. Great. Drained. Into the pan with the eggs they go. This pan's maybe a little bit small for this. Oh well. It's because I'm cooking more than 2 servings. I didn't adjust my pan accordingly. Because I am an honest person, I will say it did take me a little bit more than 15 minutes to cook it this time, but I imagine that that is because I've been filming and chatting and like doing other stuff as well. But if this video is longer than 15 minutes, I will eat my hat. I'm not wearing a hat. I will eat my... I don't know where I was going with that. Mixed with the egg. It's got a nice coating there. Egg noodles with egg. It's an egg-heavy meal. And I'm going to add that sauce that we prepared earlier. Here's one I made earlier. No, I did not make dragon noodles earlier. I feel like I maybe added a bit more soy sauce this time around than I did last time we made this. The noodles look like they're getting darker. Ho ho. Should probably be using my other hand so my elbow's not directly in the way. There are perks to being ambidextrous. So now we're going to add the green onions in. And the cilantro will serve as a garnish. That's the word. The cilantro will serve as a garnish on top. That is dragon noodles. They are incredible. They are delicious. They are easy. They make me happy. They provide me with energy on very bad days or on good days. They're a versatile recipe that way. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you try to make dragon noodles, let me know. I think they're fantastic. I will link the recipe down below so that you can try it if you wanna. What else have we got to say? If you enjoyed the video, it makes my day. If you like or you comment, makes me super happy whenever I get that particular notification. And if you wanna subscribe, makes my day even more than a like or a comment does. It means the world. I hope that you are having a fantastic Saturday, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Oh, yes.